Hello guys, welcome to the VZ channel. I'm in South Pudong area, somewhere in a little village. Not a touristic place, just where people live. We've got a few farms here, nice little river, and I'm just chilling out here with my recorder. Now, not far from here, there is a place full of factories, you know, making stuff, chemicals and stuff like, and things like that. And one of them is abandoned. At least I hope so still. It's recommended to me to go here by China Uncle Mikey. Thanks for the tip. I'm gonna try and find this place and see if we can still sneak in and explore. Alright, hope you enjoy the video. They have chickens here, ducks. 有公鸡。对。对，就是这个叫什么名字？
哪个？
这个。
鹅。
鹅。
对。
这个动物叫鹅。
对，就是鹅。
啊。好。
它鹅是生蛋。
对。你们卖那个蛋还是
不卖。
不卖，你们吃？
对
啊，好吃吗？啊，这里有什么？虾。
对，哎，你看，烧虾不是？来，哎，你看，你动，小伙子，好几个，哎，
哦，不会。
大些，来，看到啊，看到，好多
啊，虾，
好多。
虾，这是 prawn, guys. This is a prawn. prawn, 对。
英语叫 prawn。
对，虾。So here we have a nice little bridge. And cross to the other side. A little mountain we have to climb. Ah, wow. Look at this, guys. Isn't this beautiful? Here, interesting. Look, one side of the bridge has an old rail and the other one has a modern rail. Right behind this place. He showed me, he said, look. I said, okay.
It looks well.
Yeah, we have to go from the other side. I want you to have a look at my new car. Do you like it? I'm here at an abandoned factory. It looks like it's in three parts, and already 2 out of those 3 parts are being redone. There's building work going on, so we've got this one left where there's nothing really going on. We just go and play. This is a building site, and I'm not sure what they're building, but it seems nobody really cares that we're here. We're going around here with a drone camera, my main camera, and the 360 camera, just walking around. And you know, you would think that in this kind of places people are sensitive about it, but no one really cares. Yeah, so if you're weird like me, technically you could come here for now, but you know, in China things move quickly, so I think, you know, within a month this will be a closed area, complete whatever they're trying to do. And once again, I'm not recommending to come here officially. It's kind of dangerous. Right, so there are a lot of things going on in, you know, this side of Shanghai. A lot of construction, a lot of factories being built or rebuilt, as you can see. Yeah, interesting to see it in action. Like, I've come to China after like what's called the golden period, where it's gone through a lot of changes. You know, it's built a load of these skyscrapers and seen massive growth. But you can still see this in action in China to this day. You know, it's been happening for over 3 decades, and it's still going on. Construction cranes everywhere. Even in such a big city as Shanghai, where you would imagine that it's already done, right? So here I think I'm standing in one of the locations where the workers are sleeping, right? They probably live too far from home, so yeah, they've got some beds in there, beers in there. Doesn't look too great, to be honest. It's like a garage, right? So at night they close the garage and sleep inside. Hope it's comfortable for them. Okay guys, thank you for watching once again. Hope you enjoyed this little trip through the Shanghai suburbia. I sure did. I mean, honestly, I love these kind of places. So, yeah, peace till next time.